The big data and advanced analytics setup for Google, what we do is for big data managed cluster as a service, you have EMR, is Elastic MapReduce, which is a Hadoop setup on AWS. For Google, it is Dataproc, which is again it's a Azure, and Azure it is HD Insight. For cloud search, for searching in cloud, you have cloud search, you have OpenSearch. OpenSearch is Elasticsearch, but now it's kind of an open source search model. Google Cloud also there's a search service that is one could use. Likewise, in Azure also you have search service. For streaming means you want to stream the data across multiple destinations. So one could look into Kinesis in AWS. Kinesis video streams also is there. Dataflow is there for building the streaming pipeline that one could kind of look into. So as well as Azure, you could have Stream Analytics as well as Event Hub for streaming the data. And data warehousing, something we discussed, Redshift, BigQuery, SQL data warehouse. And for BI and data visualization, AWS provides QuickSight, GCP provides Data Studio, Looker, and Azure provides Power BI. For cloud ETL, one could look in AWS, you could look into Glue, Data Pipeline, and Simple Work. For GCP, you could look into Data Prep, Data Fusion, Composer. For Azure, it is Data Factory, right? ADF is what popularly we call it, data cataloging, and logic apps for workflow. And in AWS also you have step functions that could be considered if you want, you could use it for workflow, or you want to have it as part of a logic app as set up as here. And for third-party exchange, data exchange, you could use one in AWS could use Data Exchange, GCP you could use Analytics Hub, and Azure you could use Data Share. So